say tutu no ono nso ye de different asante through denchira ahemfie ho no one denchira hene ne wofa ase ba ekoye ade bi a kire se abi mamen kan se wakohye ne nyinsan eme ye penetwa neti ne ye be wotwa wuti wodwane akohye akwamu ho de ye hwe wa ye hu fe de wa ben ye mpa eye kwaman ofiri kwaman so kɔ abankase so no enuru 20 miles tina kye se ye hwehwe Okomfo Anokye atwa neti ye hwehwe ose kofi enso atwa neti nti ne hia ne se asante man be ya ahoboa se wo mo ni denchira ebeko ko ayira kwa beto asigwa mechi bia asokafo mo ko wani
Justice Arraign and Ben. Adio Christine, ne I wish me where a people judge. I better power. The face in there, SNM Bene, a silly more besua. And then one papa near Nicomankum, my very method is so for no more as a council, pay and Betty Molly. And that resource and some way. And you have been to Kaye, and I know Ben. The Christian be no matter what.
I'm going to Kotoko. In any answer, the sacrament to planning committee anyway. Papa, I suffer them.
Today, as we are launching the Anokye and Okomfo Osei Tutu Remembrance Festival, I'm so much excited because history will be rewritten, pertaining some corrections in the distortions of our history.
Without inculcating the history, the greatness of Anokye, who came from Awukugua, and was also a great advisor to Okomfo the creation of the Ashanti Kingdom. It means the Black Star experience cannot be complete without the infusion of the Okomfo Anokye heritage. It is in the value chain, Okomfo Anokye, and it was society. So you are European talk, you are an American talk, that Okomfo Anokye has anything running